All specialization courses in the MSN and DNP degrees require preceptors. Preceptors are mentors that work with students one-on-one in their specialty courses, going over course objectives and pointing them in the direction of additional resources they might use for their PE hours. MSN students require a preceptor that has a master's and their nursing license, and DNP students require a preceptor that is a doctorally prepared nurse. Preceptors cannot be the direct supervisor of the student. All preceptors must first be approved by members of nursing leadership before starting the specialty courses. Students will be required to upload an approval letter in week 1 of every specialty course. An approval will be received when the preceptor request form is completed by both the student and preceptor. The link to the preceptor approval form can be found in the Student Center of Moodle, under the Practice Experiences Resources heading. The student will fill out the first section of the preceptor form. You'll need to fill out your contact information and the contact information of your preceptor. Please sign the form, click Next, and then Submit. When you submit, an email will be sent to your preceptor at the email address you provided in the form. Please tell your preceptors to check their junk mail if they are not receiving this email. In the email that your preceptor receives, there will be a link to the second page of the form. They will need to click on the link and fill out their portion of the form. Information that we need from your preceptor includes contact information, highest degree they've earned, and facility information. He or she will also need to upload his or her resume and copy of their RN license so that we can make sure they are qualified to be your preceptor. If they have questions about his or her role as a preceptor, we've included a copy of the preceptor packet so that they can have a little bit more information. He or she will then need to sign the document, click Next, and Submit. Once both the student and preceptor have submitted their portions of the form, the PE coordinators will be notified to review the information. If the PE coordinator approves the preceptor, students will receive an email from JotForm with the subject line, "Your preceptor is approved." This email will include a PDF attachment. This PDF is your preceptor approval letter that will be required in week 1 of your specialty course. Make sure to download this attachment and save it in a special location so that you can access it later on. If the PE coordinator does not approve your preceptor, you will also receive an email detailing why he or she was not approved so that you can find another person and resubmit the form. Keep in mind, you only have to submit this form once. Once you obtain this preceptor approval notification, this is the same document that you will upload in every specialty course.